Hey, what's up? I'm going to look around in our community to find something that it's reusable. I mean, I'm going to dig into the trash or to the dumpster. So come on, join me. So let's find a treasure so that I can sell it to eBay or turn into a beautiful decoration at home. Come on, guys. Okay, we are here in our community, so I hope we can find a something that we can repurpose or recycle. So let's go here. Follow me. I will tour you to my community. Okay, Mr. Amazon Man. Okay, let's see. Am I turn left or turn right? Let's turn left. Decorations. Beautiful. So no recyclable bin. Haven't seen any recyclable bins in our community, so hopefully we can find some. So here. Okay, dog and a baby in a stroller, of course. Left or turn right? Let's go straight. Okay. So I think people are not ready yet to bring their recyclable bin. Oh, there's more. There's a recyclable bin. Let's see. Okay, there's one. Hold on. Okay, I need to turn. Okay. I've seen some recyclable here. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay, let's find out. Okay, hold on. What's this? I'm not sure what it is. It's just like a piece of rock. A rock. L is for love. Okay. It's in here. No budget jacket. No. Okay. Nope. Okay. Okay. I found one. I think this is okay. It's working. Okay. I got one. Stand fan, so I got a camping chair. So alright, camping chair. Those So I found one treasure over there. So let's go find more, and hoping that we can find more items. So hold on. Okay, go straight here. Nope. Make brighter, so hopefully we can find there is. Oh, I missed this. Uh-oh. I think this is okay. Okay. Let me park my car. So okay. So it has the keyboard on it. Lunch. So okay, guys, I'm gonna turn it off and put it on the back of my car. Okay, hold on. Hey Kuyonars, I'm back home now after dumpster diving, and I found some items that I thought it will be I can reuse it or resell it on Craigslist or OfferUp or even eBay. So I'll show you what I've got, and I thought this is a good day-to-day for me, and here are the items, and I hope I can earn some extra money on this item.